Hey everybody, happy Friday, April 3rd. Today I just want to kind of introduce a project that we're going to start today. Then we're going to be working on it through, I think, Tuesday next week. So if we go into our e-learning folder here, and then today is April 3rd, we have these mass versus weight poster project slides. So if I open up my copy here, what we're going to be doing is you're going to be making a poster comparing mass versus weight. So all week we've been talking about gravity, free fall, orbit, all of these kinds of things. When we're talking about those kinds of things, remember how you can be weightless, but you can never be massless. And this is something that I really want to hammer into your heads because your science teachers in the future are going to thank me so much. So this is typically a project that I do on paper, but if you would rather do it just digitally and make a Google slide, that's fine too. So let me go over the expectations and then I'll kind of clarify. So you're going to be making a poster warning others about the differences between mass and weight, because we know that there is a difference. You're going to have a couple of things on your poster. First thing is a definition of mass and a definition of weight. Then you're also going to need to have 3 examples for mass and 3 examples for weight. So you could do some, for weight, you could have something like, in space you are weightless. So that tells me that. You also need a warning label on there of some sort because we are warning people about this. And then it needs to be visually appealing as well. So you need to have graphics. Things need to be in your own words. If you're using Google to find the definition of mass, I'd love it if it sounded like a 6th grader wrote it and not a college professor. It needs to have color all over the place. I don't just want like a blank white slide or a blank white sheet of paper. And then easily understood. So again, I don't want the college professor knowledge. I want your knowledge. So here's an example from last year of a 5 out of 10. So as you can see, it looks super nice. It's got the warning label, the definitions, but there's no examples. And if we go back, our examples are worth half our grade. So they only got a 5 out of 10, even though this looks really good. If you chose to do something like this and added examples of each, perfect, 10 out of 10. So here's an example of somebody that got a 10 out of 10 last year. They've got everything's organized and neat. They've got the warning label, definitions, examples. It's all there for you. Just it looks great. Everything, all the information is there that needs to be there. 10 out of 10. Now, for this project, I said if you want to do it digitally, you can. If you'd rather just use a piece of paper at home, you can do that too. I know some people would rather just work on paper and they can color and doodle and whatever that way is. So I'm completely flexible on how you want to make this poster, but it just needs to be done. So what I've done on Schoology is you can see the slides are there so that you can refer to them. The slides are here again so that you can refer to them. And then I posted on the 7th, because I think that's going to be the day we turn it in, mass versus weight poster. So when you click on mass versus weight poster here, mine says submissions here. Yours is actually going to say submit assignment. So if you want to submit your assignment, you can hit submit assignment there, and then you can take a picture of something that you did with your webcam, or you can go into your Google Drive through that and post it that way. Yeah, it's just everything can just be submitted right here, and that way, it'll just work out. So that is our project that we're going to be working on for the next couple of days. Check in on Monday and kind of see where everybody's at. I think I'll post a little Google form that's just, like what % are you done with this project, because I don't want you guys to be working more than your 25 minutes on that, and then we'll just kind of keep cruising through. So email me if you have any questions. We can chat, and I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.